Today we're going to talk about the metric measurement millimeter. In order to learn about a millimeter, you first have to know what a centimeter is. This is a centimeter. A centimeter is about the same size as one jelly bean. Centimeters are used to measure small objects, such as the pictures you see here, a pencil, a key, a finger, anything that's small. But what if we need to measure things that are really small? If you look very closely at a centimeter, you'll see it's divided into 10 tiny parts. Each one of these tiny parts is called a millimeter. There are 10 millimeters in every centimeter. Let's practice some measuring with millimeters. Look at this paper clip. It's lined up at the beginning of the ruler. I'm going to draw a line to see where the other end is. I'm going to count the total number of centimeters. I see 6 centimeters, and I remember that each centimeter is 10 millimeters, so I can count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and then I see 5 more millimeters, the teeny tiny lines. So there's a total of 65 millimeters. This paper clip is 65 millimeters long. The abbreviation for millimeter is mm. Let's look at another object. In this picture, we see a thumbtack. It's lined up at the beginning of the ruler. I'm going to draw a line at the other end. And again, I can count by tens because I know there are 10 millimeters in every centimeter. So I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and then I have to count the teeny tiny lines to see how many millimeters. So it looks like 62 millimeters. The thumbtack is 62 millimeters long. In this picture, we see a crayon. I'm lined up with 0. I've drawn a line to see where the other end is lined up. You can count by tens, 10, 20, 30, 40, and I count the rest of the lines, and it's 45 millimeters. This crayon is 45 millimeters long. Remember, every centimeter is made up of 10 tiny millimeters. Millimeters measure small things like fingernails, insects, and eyelashes. And that concludes our lesson on the millimeter.